Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to resolve backup failures caused by power issues, incorrect schedules, or full backup targets in a corporate or server environment. Step-by-step guide to fix backup failures. Step 1. Identify the root cause. Open your backup software or monitoring dashboard. Check error logs, email alerts, or dashboard warnings. Determine if the failure is due to power issues, scheduling misconfiguration, full backup target, for example, disk/NAS/cloud, if the issue is power failure. Step 2. Check UPS and power supply. Verify that the uninterruptible power supply, UPS, is working and connected to the backup system. Confirm the battery is charged and the power cables are intact. If servers reboot unexpectedly, examine event logs for shutdown reasons. Windows, Event Viewer, System Logs, Event ID 41, Linux, dmesg or /var/log/syslog. Step 3. Configure Auto Resume, optional. Enable Resume Backup after power loss in your backup software if supported. If the issue is incorrect backup schedule. Step 4. Review and correct the backup schedule. Open your backup tool. For example, VM, Acronis, Windows Server Backup, etc. Check. Start time. Ensure it doesn't conflict with reboots or updates. Frequency, daily, weekly, etc. Time zone mismatch. Confirm the system is on and idle during backup time. Step 5. Avoid schedule overlaps. Make sure no other tasks, antivirus scans, system updates are running at the same time. Stagger multiple backup jobs to prevent queue conflicts. If the issue is full backup target, storage full. Step 6. Check available disk space. Verify available space on the backup destination. Local drive, right-click, Properties NS Network. Share, use Storage Manager or DFH Linux. Cloud target. Check through the provider portal. Step 7. Clean up old backups. Configure retention policies, e.g., keep the last 7 daily, 4 weekly, and 3 monthly backups. Manually delete obsolete or corrupted backup sets. Automate cleanup via backup tool settings. Step 8. Expand storage if needed. Add more disks or extend existing partitions. For cloud targets, upgrade to a higher storage tier. Step 9. Test the backup job. Run a manual backup to ensure the issue is resolved. Check logs for successful completion. If available, perform a test restore to verify data integrity. Step 10. Enable alerts and reporting. Configure email or SMS alerts for backup failures. Schedule weekly backup reports for proactive monitoring. Bonus tips: issue prevention tip, power outages. Install UPS with auto shutdown software. Schedule conflicts. Use dedicated backup windows, for example, midnight. Storage full. Monitor disk usage and apply retention policies. Let me know what backup software you're using, for example, VM, Acronis, Windows Backup, and I can give you tool-specific instructions.